Hey YouTube, it's me Renee. I just want to stop in and let you guys know how I'm doing. I had my doctor's appointment on Monday. And everything's going good. I lost 42 pounds or 42.8 pounds. That point really doesn't matter to me. It's the actual numbers. Everything's going good. Walking, biking, feeling real good. Struggling with my protein intake, but it's not affecting me. I'm just not getting what I know I'm supposed to be getting. But I'm not feeling any weakness or anything. Everything's going good. I just wanted to stop in and let you guys know. I know my videos aren't that long. I'm not much of a talker, but I just wanted to keep you guys updated on what's going on over here. I want to give a shout out to Roxy. She's getting ready to have her surgery. You guys check her out. She's really sweet. And Timmy. Hi, Timmy. How are you doing? I can't wait till you come to California. We'll have so much fun. Well, that's it, you guys. Short video today. I'm at work and it's my birthday. Yeah. Double whammy. But that's it. Bye.